Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about this ADR indicator. So one of the new update also available in this video. You can watch this video clearly, fully, and you will be finding out some of the good opportunity which we are going to plan with that particular indicator. So the ADR indicator that works better on intraday. So we have already created a lot of dashboards and scanners and screeners which are available on our premium group. So that group you will be accessing all my premium charting scanners. And today we find out some of the stocks which works good and based on our 1% stop loss with and the ADR close, higher close and as well as lower close. So let me go for a Nagpuri. So that must be a first stock in the first 15 minutes. Such a good move on Nagpuri, which is happening here today. And that is the second candle which given you the breakout over and above our ADR close. And also you can look at this narrow ADR. So very narrow in the range. And that would be even more powerful breakout which we can expect at this point, also very narrow. So that is also we made a scanner that available. So narrow ADR for tomorrow, how do we find out? And what happened in this case, the second candle where it is given you the breakout, maybe the stop loss, and it was giving you such a good move. So this particular stock which we find out based on our scanner, and the one more stock which happened the same, that is what a Titan. In this case, Titan got triggered over stop loss. So look at this, the second candle where it is triggers and the high and low is around 0.7% on this candle. So maybe the next candle itself it broke the high somewhere around 3739, 3738.60. The next candle which made 3744, just 5 rupees that moves. And our stop loss maybe below the candle low is around 3709. So exactly somewhere around the 30 points that got triggered, but finally it closed high. But something can happen. Stop loss also be there and target also be there. But here we should understand the scanner is not repaid. That is what a most important thing. Whether profitable trade and loss making trade both are shown here after the market close. Okay, so Bajaj Finserv, what is happening on Bajaj Finserv with this third candle? So maybe this third candle here also one more stop loss today. And here that close is broken around 16071598 should be the stop. After broken the stop, it was giving you such a good downside move. So maybe two stocks, HDFC, Escorts, that is on fourth candle. Okay, here is the about fourth candle. Here is the fourth candle that was giving you such a good result in upside. And Escort, one more stock, HDFC and JK Cement, HDFC Bank and JK Cement. This is also after that high broke and stop loss. Then again another one more trade nearby closing hours. And one more thing, JK Cement, that maybe not a liquid. Let me check what is happening. So 10 o'clock candle, I think that is also been a stop loss kind of trend because after initially market positive but closing hours it recovered, so no problem. So in downside, some stocks Zydus Life, Apollo Hospital, what is happening? Zydus Life, here is the candle that may be also be a stop. Zydus Life, Apollo Hospital, that was working good. From that level, it was moving down. And Colpol and GMR Infra, what's happening? GMR Infra, fourth candle, with close and maybe a stop in Colpol. So these are all the things which is happening on. This was working good. So we need to select a right stock, and that is giving you such a good result. And what is the most important update is, so based on this coding, so I have just created for a weekly level. So previously we have seen on an intraday, so maybe some more scanners which I'm going to make by using this particular thing. And most of the time there is a rejection at weekly level. Here is about a weekly. For example, this is the week where it is started 26, and this level till valid for the end of this week. That means by tomorrow, because we have a holiday on Friday. So you can see last week Monday 11th March to closing is around Friday 15th March. Last week something about 18 March to exactly on 22nd March. So this weekly level, if I'm just looking at any quality and good stocks, the Colgate Palmolive or maybe a liquidity in options, maybe a Tata Steel, so something like that. So which you can take, but I'm just going to plan for a creation of charting scanners with this particular weekly ADR. So maybe here you can see there is a huge potential reversal. Mostly instead of breakout, so we can try to find out a buy at a lower level or sell at a higher level. So that we can plan. I just created this conditions. So here is the weekly level. Market is moving toward level, and weekly level it is a rejection, and there was a good move in a downside. And if you're finding out, here is the breakdown, but we are not going to focus for a breakdown. And there is a reversal, and again it moving towards the top level by ADR. Instead of that, Nifty also we can check with this particular thing. So Nifty and okay, to remove this. Okay, so in weekly level, this is a 1 hour chart. So you can look at this. Majority of the time, there is a good reversal at this bottom and narrow weekly ADR. Narrow weekly ADR, and there is a downtrend. There is a rejection, and again one more rejection at the top level. There is a good move. Okay, and here is the rejection, such a good reversal, and one more time market is testing on the higher level. So that instead of the breakout which works on intraday very good, but here if I'm just looking at a weekly time frame, most of the time, so the rejection would be most powerful, that may be taken as support at ADR level. So even Nifty Bank, so you can look at this. Mostly here you can see there is a huge support and resistance taken based on that ADR level. So not only the day, but we need to create a scanners, and I'm welcome your ideas how we can utilize it. Okay, so any idea for a scanner, you can just ping me on the comment box or directly send me a WhatsApp. So because I'm just reading this, and instead of this is called a breakdown. So instead of breakdown, you can look at this maximum, but it is a next week day, but here we don't get it. And here maybe the rejection point. Okay, and here we have find out a rejection, and that level is reaching, and here one more rejection, and again, so like a swing trading, so which we can plan with this in the ADR indicator. Swing also be possible. So I'm just created this condition, so you are watching this. Maybe if you have any questions or ideas which I'm welcome to, you can share your ideas, and we can create that even more powerful swing scanner with this, because mostly that rejection that can be happen. Okay, that wasn't very good. So I tell you, so simply we can create a scanners also, but I'm not going to save the scanners because in ADR is the most powerful indicator which you have created. So ADR, yeah, ADR, not like that. So closing price, daily close or 16 minutes close, 1 hour. Okay, okay, okay. 1 hour closing is greater than, let us works, then we can create a weekly ADR also. ADR 10 and ADR 10 and 5. So here I just go for a weekly ADR 10 and 5. Okay, simply we can okay, so instead of that, close is less than, so we are focusing a reversal, na? So that should be a lower ADR, and close and open must be, if it is works, open must be less than, it should be lower area. So this is what a customized indicator which is not available defaultly in charting. So let me run the scan. If any stocks which you find, so I think it is on equity. So let me focus on futures. Okay, 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 okay. Futures, Dr. Reddy. So let me check on a Dr. Reddy whether it is forming a such a pattern or not. You can see there is a maybe a rejection. So that kind of rejection which I'm just looking at. here Dr. 80 which forming a such a downtrend and taken a support like that, it opened and closed. Maybe the chances for trend reversal may be possible. So let me track that also, because once it is taken a support or resistance from that weekly level, that will giving you such a good movement after that. So that level is act as a good level for this particular thing. So I think this is also working well, and maybe check for higher. Let us close. This must be less than. Here it should be greater than, and higher ADR, and here also higher ADR. So here it will be showing you the negative candle. So maybe Muthoot Finance. So let me check. Maybe we can create any ideas with this particular indicator. Once it is working perfect and good. Yeah, here also there is a some rejection point. So we can look for the rejection also be possible at the top level. So maybe we can back test with this new scanner. If it is works good, so let me update on the group. And before you have any idea, so maybe like scanners creation, so you can also suggest your ideas which I can create. And thank you for watching. And if you are new to my channel, and thank you for watching, and kindly subscribe the channel if you are new to my channel. Thank you.